Hi, this is John with WTI, and I have to work on the go. And whenever I'm traveling, it for me is such a hard time to go with a gaming computer or a gaming laptop for me. So I wanted to get something that will be slim, that is not going to be so heavy, and is going to give me what I need to help me to get through my Zoom meetings, to do all my writings and all my docs for my job. And this ASUS Chromebook just gets the work done. So this one has the Chrome OS, which is a interface or an OS which is based on Google Cloud. So all of my files are in the cloud here, easy to carry. This one has battery for days. It has a 10-hour plus a battery that you can just forget about charging this and go on the bus and start working on going anywhere and start working. You're not going to be in a problem. It's so easy because it's a 14-inch that it will give you a good real estate for you to work, but at the same time, it's just great to put it in your backpack, grab it and go. You don't need so many things. You don't need to be dealing with all this clumsy chargers. No, no, no. This one, you get it with your power brick that is 45 watts, a Type-C cable, and it's good. When it comes to the ports, it just would do the works. So if you're looking for a good laptop that is going to be a Chromebook that is going to work great, move smoothly, this Asus one is good. So this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.